Stop running away! Get in the car! Be quiet! Bye, Pink Dolphin! My stepmother has harmed my father. Please arrest her quickly.
I won't be stopped.
You need to come with us.
No, I'm going home.
You're under arrest. Hands where I can see them.
No, please, this can't be happening.
Stay strong, my love.
I can't bear this.
We'll get through it, my love.